Hello friends, last few days we are discussing about eloquent relations. Already published the video for eloquent concept, one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many relations. In this video we are going to discuss about some special case, means some tricks. Suppose you have a table like my table, and let's say Laravel actually created it and updated by default. Let's say in our example or your application you don't have this column created at and updated at. So that time what will be the problem, and without using the created at and updated column, how to use the Laravel table. Okay, actually this needs, sometimes you may have old application or you are going to upgrade into the Laravel, or that time you may not have using all the things like proper migrations and all the things. That time you may need these type of things. Okay, so let's see when you're going to insert some data, let's what happen in this case. So here we have created the test controller and we created the my model, and using the my model we are going to access the my table. So this is the my table, right? Now I just going to insert some data. So public function add data, right? Okay, add data, and now we will use the my model functions and dollar obj. Okay, so this is my object and new my model, and let's add some data. Obj name, suppose any name. Okay, or like a rock or Rick, or already Rick we have present, so bunny. Okay, and now write obj email and write bunny@email.com, and finally let's save these things. Okay, semicolon missing. Okay, now write obj save, and finally return data added. Okay, no problem, we all know all the things. Okay, now just create a route in this way. Let's access the add data, and URL is add data. Actually we are going to access from the URL. That's the reason we're using the get, but usually when you're going to insert some data, the method should be different. Okay, now just going to press the add data. Now here write add data. So data added, if you see in your table, one data is added. Now in your table these two columns are not present. Okay, so let's delete that things. So yes, and now we have these three columns, and I am going to insert another time. So here write any other's name, means Jack, and here write jack@email.com. So let's going to add again. Now refresh this, it should get the error. So you can see the column not found, unknown column updated at in the field list. So if you add updated at, it will also display the created also not there. So this is the problem. Okay, so how to solve that things? Actual, when you're going to insert, you can see the query, insert into my table name email updated at created at values jack@email.com. This is the time for updated at, this is the time for created at. By default Laravel providing that things, means in your application from your functions you are not providing that things. So how to insert the data without this column? So for that in our application, if you're going to access the model, so in the model we have an option to disable the created and updated at, or you can say the timestamps also. Okay, so here just write another things, public, and let's use timestamps. Okay, make it false. Now just go here and refresh, data is added. Okay, so now refresh here, you can see the new data is added. Hope you like these tricks. Means sometimes you may need, if you are in a special case, means sometimes in your application it's may need. Okay, this may helpful. So hope you will understand and you enjoy these things, and please like and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.